Why choose just one flavor when you can have five? Today we're making matcha, vanilla, strawberry, caramel, and mocha frappuccinos. Icy, creamy, and just like the cafe, but cheaper. Perfect for hot days or just little treats at home. Grab your blender and let's get mixing. You will save a whole lot of money and get to taste test your favorite. The first flavor we will be making is caramel, which is my favorite. Into a cup, we're going to add our portion of ice. Each frappuccino has a different amount of ice. Set the ice aside for later. We are mixing our base. We are going in with some table cream, some whole milk, vanilla extract, concentrated espresso, sugar to taste. Once this goes in ice, it's not as sweet as it looks. And we're going to be using some homemade caramel that I made, and I even added a little bit of caramel extract in this. It's really yummy. Add it into the frappuccino base. We're going to give it a small mix. No need to break up everything because we're going to be adding our ice into a blender along with our base. You need to make sure that you taste the base before it goes in the blender. Blend it until the ice is crushed. And then we're going to pour some caramel into our cup. And who doesn't love some caramel in a cup of frappuccino? When you make your own frappuccino at home, you can be generous with the caramel. No extra cost. Pour in your delicious caramel frappuccino. Almost all the way up. And we're going to add a little bit of whipping cream on top of this. This is homemade whipping cream that I made at home, and it is not sweet. We're going to top this off with some of our caramel. We are going to cover it over with a dome lid. And here we have a delicious caramel frappuccino served. Next, we are making a creamy matcha frappuccino. We are going to be using some matcha powder. We're going to add 2 teaspoons to some hot water, and we're going to mix it to remove any lumps. Make sure it's nice and smooth and that bright green is activated. Prepare your ice and set it aside. All the amounts will be listed in the description box. We are adding some whole milk, some cream, our matcha powder, vanilla extract, condensed milk. You can add any kind of milk that goes with your dietary restriction. And we're going to mix it to make sure it's nice and smooth and the condensed milk is dissolved. Into a blender, we're going to add our ice, our frappuccino base, blend until crunchy ice, and we're going to pour some whipping cream into our cup to make it extra creamy. Pour in your matcha frappuccino mixture. Top it with some delicious whipped cream. And just a little dust of matcha powder. How delicious and how easy is this? Matcha Frappuccino served. Our third Frappuccino will be Mocha. Into a half cup of hot water, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of rich instant coffee. We are making this a really deep brown so that it dissolves really nice with our cream. We are using some Nescafe Espresso concentrate and set our ice aside. This one is going to be using a lot of ice. Next, we are going in with some chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce, our cooled coffee, heavy cream, vanilla extract, condensed milk. We are going to make this one a little on the sweeter side because we are going to be using a lot of ice. If you wish to add sugar, you can. Mix it to combine. Taste to make sure that you like it before it goes in the blender. And we're going to pour our ice on our base and blend until nice and crunchy. To garnish, we are using a little bit of whipping cream along with some chocolate syrup. You can put as much or as little as you can because at home there's no extra cost. And we're going to fill this up with our delicious Mocha Frappuccino. And who doesn't love a little bit of whipped cream on top? Let's garnish with some more chocolate syrup. Cover it over with our dome cover. Delicious Mocha Frappuccino served. Our fourth beverage is a vanilla Frappuccino. Set aside your ice. We are adding some table cream, French vanilla extract, espresso concentrate, white vanilla, and for this one we are going to be using some delicious vanilla ice cream. This makes it extra creamy and it deepens the vanilla flavor so much. Condensed milk goes in here before it hits the ice. Get the right amount of sweetness because the ice is going to water it down once it begins to ice crush. Give it a mix. Ice into the blender. Our delicious vanilla Frappuccino base. So creamy and so delicious. Give it an ice squash. And in the glass it goes. We are not doing any garnish to this one. It's creamy and beautiful on its own. But for certain, we're going to top it off with some vanilla whipped cream. Add a touch of cinnamon for some color. And you can cover it up. Vanilla Frappuccino is served. Our last Frappuccino is another one of my favorite, strawberry. We have some sliced frozen strawberry that I blended in my blender and I strained it to make it nice and smooth. You can add some sugar to it if you wish. We are pouring the strawberry in the glass along with some table cream and some condensed milk. The strawberry in this recipe takes this frappuccino a long way. All you need to think about is how sweet it is. Add your ice into the blender, frappuccino base, give it a quick blend just for about 30 seconds. For garnish, we're going to be using some whipping cream at the bottom of our cup, some of our strawberry puree, you can add as much or as little as you wish. Pour in the frappuccino mixture, and I'm going to go in with a little bit more strawberry. When you pull this up with your straw, you get a burst of strawberry flavor from the bottom to the top. Top it off with some whipping cream. Some more strawberry puree. And a few pieces of strawberry slices. Cover it over. And your strawberry frappuccino is served. If you have gotten this far into the video, give this video a thumbs up, which will help my YouTube channel to reach more people, to help me grow and to make better content. Tell me in the comments, which one is your favorite flavor? We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.